Hello everyone. Good evening, Shravan sir and my dear friends. I am Sandhya from Chemical Engineering first year. I welcome you all with a tremendous pleasure. Today I am going to host this session. So, let us start this session with a prayer song. Over to you, Apurva.
Good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening, everyone. Um, मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितैबदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभीकरं न बोधितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न तादिकापदुद्धरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं त्वमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षर कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्कर मनस्करां नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अचिन्त्यनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनुञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्तनम् हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिन त्वमेकदन्त्वमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् Thank you.
Thank you, Apurva. That was so nice. So let us continue. So I am glad to say that we have completed 1 month in ESL with lot of memories. This platform gave us many opportunities, and we always think how to make different ideas in a unique way. And we also gone through many interactions with some of the successful people and with our friends through Top Talks. And ESL is a place where everyone is respected and where everyone's opinions are respected. And here, everyone can share their opinions, thoughts, ideas with all of them. So, as Shravan sir said, this is absolutely a value system where we'll create a magical and fantastic future. So today we all gathered here to share 1 month experiences. So okay, then we'll start this with Nivedita. Okay, Nivedita. So share your experiences and memories throughout this 1 month.
Thank you, Sandhya. Firstly, good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening to all my friends. Let me extend a sincere welcome to everyone. Today, I'm going to share my personal experience and a happy journey of our ESL. I can't even imagine that it's been only a month, and what am I before and after is truly incredible. Most of them might think that what these people gained in this short durage of time, but you guys have to believe that we have done more than what we expected through our resell. I have joined in few projects and I really liked it very much to work and to develop creativity in myself. And I also learned that we have to share our knowledge to others. We have to respect other people's opinions and should work on team coordination and human relations. And the most important thing I loved in ESL was they make us to enjoy our projects and they don't let us to pressurize on our projects. And we will always think of everyone's happiness. We unknowingly do some mistakes, but in ESL, we never get criticized by them. Instead, we get encouragement to learn how to gain from those mistakes. And, and also, we can develop our patience. And finally, I would like to thank our Shravan sir, whose leadership and vision escort the ESL from day one. And I would always be grateful to my seniors and my friends for your constant support. Thank you.
Thank you, Nivedita. That was so wonderful. So I have a question for you. So what was the most happiest thing for you throughout this 1 month in ESL?
Yeah, actually, I have hosted for Chetan Makam's session, and then after, like, I was literally happy, and I didn't sleep for like up to 12 o'clock, and that was the most happiest moment for me. And each and everything, every project, and each and every support from seniors is also my one of the most happiest moment. From also our friends, like they will be supporting us in everything. So grateful for having them.
Thank you, Nivedita. So, Spurti, so share your thoughts and memories and your experience in throughout this 1 month.
Okay. Good evening, all. Good evening. Good morning, Shravan sir. About the ESL program, in this 1 month, I learned many things. First of all, when I got the name ESL, what does it mean? How it helps me? Are the questions in my mind. By approaching Shravan sir and seniors like Sanjana Akka, Sindhuja Akka, I got to know some things that have to in the ESL program. We respect our feelings, thoughts, personalities. We encourage many people to speak their thoughts to all. We can learn something new from others and the programming. By the ESL program, now I am here to speak with dare and confidence. I joined in the digital marketing program on 3rd Jan. I'm learning something with joy and friends, trying to decrease my mistakes by my friends and my seniors and Shravan sir. We respect others and ourselves. I think in next 4 years, I mean including this, I will learn many things from seniors, juniors, and Shravan sir. I'm excited to see you all in the campus again, and I learn many and learn more things and to have many lovable moments. Finally, thank you all, Shravan sir, seniors, and my friends for encouraging like this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Spurti. So my question to you is, so how was your communication with friends, seniors throughout this 1 month?
It was great. It was great to have like this type of friends and sirs who will encourage always to us. And I think I'm pleasure to be in this ESL program. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Spurti. So next is Apurva. So first of all, congrats Apurva as she passed in an interview and she's selected for a job in the first year itself. So I congrats you for this. So share your experiences throughout this 1 month.
Good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm very proud to present myself as a ESL member. Like it's a ESL, it is a world of values, and I can't believe it's been a 1 month we have started. Like if I just look back and think of a single day, I can recollect, like I can narrate so many things, so many wonderful things that has happened. But it's just like that has happened yesterday. I can't believe we have completed 1 month, and I would like to congratulate all of us for completing the successful journey of 1 month, and there is a long way to go. And ESL, about my journey, it's been very interesting, incredible, and um, it's been so good. ESL has given me many things. Like first thing is that friends and seniors. Like you can't see this type of people. Firstly, positive minded people, and seniors are just amazing. They approached us in a really well in a really good way. They really made us comfortable to express our thoughts and uh, everything. Uh, it is all about optimism. We all believe in optimism, and we believe in this togetherness. Like I can't say me. I mean, it's not about me, but it is all about us. We, we is the thing, and it's I don't have words to say, um, and I can say that ESL is just amazing, and it is going to be amazing. We all learned a lot from this, and will be learning. Will be always learning, and uh, we started enjoying everyone's success. We started appreciating everyone with that wholeheartedly. We started having fun together. Now it nobody in any college, we can't find this thick friendship that has developed in just 1 month. But I can crack a joke on some of my friends, and they just take it like that. And we have created that good bonds. And even with our seniors, actually it's like reverse, we are ragging them actually. It's like that. They are requesting us, and we are it's fun again. And I believe in Swami Vivekananda's principles. And he in one of his books expresses this thing, that there is nothing called a sin or a mistake. There is only an error that is to be corrected. And I think it is absolutely apt for ESL. Nobody has never pointed out a single person, criticized them, condemned their idea, but they actually corrected everything. And we are correcting, they, like every one of us are correcting everyone, and we are making us the better people, the best versions of ourselves. And I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to specially thank Shravan sir for introducing us to this amazing world, like a world of values actually, who like many people feel that doesn't exist, but it exists actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Apurva. That was so nice. So you have to say this. Say this. So, how was your feelings as you are selected for a job in the first year itself? You have to say this. So everyone has to know.
I actually had it is little overwhelming, but actually two things, these are two miracles for me. Like, I actually, from my childhood, I had a dream to have a tab. I never said it to anyone. I haven't expressed it that I really want a tab, but I actually had it in my mind always. And I don't know. One day my father came and asked me that, "Beta, niku tab kavala?" And papa kavali ante. Like, it has came to me, and this was again a thing. I always wanted to work just after completing my 18 years. I don't know the reason. I don't know why I want to work, but I actually wanted to work. Like, I had this strong desire that I want to work, not for money, not for anything. I just want to work after 18. And Shravan sir one day called me and said this. I was like, is this true? Am I living this moment? I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got this opportunity, and I'm really thankful, really grateful to sir. Thank you, sir.
So you expressed so well. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you so much. So next we'll go with Kushala. So Kushala, share your thoughts and experience throughout this 1 month.
First of all, good morning,
Kushala?
Shravan sir. Yes. Good morning, Shravan sir, and good evening, everyone. I feel very proud to be part of ESL because this is really a special part for me. And also, I'm working in a digital team now and Talk Talks, but I never expected that I will be part of this big team. And also, I never thought that I will make a friends with other department also. And seniors are very friendly and supportive, and this till now it still seems like a surprise to me, this everything. And for me, I think ESL made my BTech a little more special to me. If it ain't for ESL, then it would be a little plain, I guess. And the thing I like is that ESL, whenever I work in ESL, I don't know, I feel very fun. Like it's a fun. It's not like a pressure or okay, I'm working, I should do this now. But it's a fun for me, and no one objects anything if we won't do the work at that time, like due to any problems. They just say like, okay, don't be sorry. Just they also learn. They also taught me how to be grateful to others, and also everyone are supportive. Thank you, Shravan sir, seniors and friends, everyone. I'm proud to be part of ESEL. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushala. And my question is to you is, so what was you at starting of ESL and now?
Uh, at starting after 2 years of inter, I don't have much self confidence, but after induction program I started gaining little. But then after joining ESEL, I started speaking even more confident than before. And after hosting principal sir party, then I don't know, that made a little more change in me. So yes, my communication skills have improved so much, and also I made many friends with many people. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kushala. So next we'll continue with Swapna. Swapna, can you share your experiences?
Hello everyone. I would like to share my experience for this 1 month in ESL. ESL is a great platform to express our ideas. I felt very happy to be a part of ESL and glad to see all great personalities. And I attended couple of sessions. In that, I will be I will done as a host in the interview of Sindhu Akka and Tejasri Akka. I felt happy while doing that hosting. I hope it is first but not last one. And I want to share one. I believe APJ Abdul Kalam principles. In that, I will explain. I will compare the ESL and that principle. The principle is we know the pizza. When we see the pizza, it is an circle shape, and after when we have to separate it to eat, then it turns to triangle shape. And while completing the eating of pizza, its shape turns to different shape. Has like when we entered in this e-cell, we are feared to express our ideas, but now we are expressing our ideas fearless, and in future it turns in different way. Mm, Lastly, thank you so much, Shravan sir, to introducing this e-cell to us. And thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Swapna. So my question to you is, so what was the memorable thing for you throughout this 1 month?
Memorable one is mm, I hosted in Top Talk, and in everything. Why when I expressing my thoughts fearless to all you.
Thank you, Swapna. So next we'll continue this with Supraja. So Supraja, share your experiences.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for asking this. Actually, it's been a month we are in ESL and we have gone through many interaction sessions and we are now feeling very confident and comfortable with all our friends. And coming to the projects, I'm in a project digital marketing and the team is very supportive. And when it comes to our friends, these people are amazing. Actually, when Shravan sir said about the principal sir retirement party, I was little confused actually. How can we, the first year students, do? But when we started doing that, Deepti, Apurva, Nivedita, we all had a lot of fun. And after the success of the party, I was very happy, and I'm very confident now. And our seniors are amazing. They are very supportive. They'll be asking how are your classes going on, and are teachers good? These are the questions they'll be asking. These interactions are just because of ESL. And I'm happy to be a part of this family, ESL family. Thank you.
Thank you, Supraja. So my question is, uh, I want to ask this question to everyone. So I'll ask this. So how are you managing your projects and your academics?
Actually, I'm having a timetable that I should give only 1 hour for my project, that is digital marketing one, and remaining all the time is given to my academics. That's it.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Pura, you raised hand.
Actually, I asked about this thing before I got started with my academics and projects to everyone, and everyone answered it in their own way. But what I concluded after I got into is that the more busier we get, the more scheduled we become. Like I don't know, somehow I'm managing it. It's not a big issue now, but that's it.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. So, okay, we'll continue this with Nishita. Okay, Nishita, share your experiences.
Hello everyone, good morning Shravan sir and good evening to all my dear friends. So first of all, I thank Shravan sir for making me a part of ESL and given me a lot of opportunities. And also, Shravan sir gave me an opportunity as leader in organizing committee, and I'm so happy for that. And at present, I'm working in the projects are stock marketing, top talks, and organizing committee. And ESL is like providing opportunities for all of us. And through ESL, I gained a lot of knowledge and even improving my communication skills, English, and many more. And and when it comes to seniors, our seniors are amazing. They are helping us a lot, and they are like friendly. And thank you all my seniors also. And actually, it's a great platform to make our dreams come true. And I'm so glad to be a part of ESL. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishita. So, many of you have mentors, right? So, how are they helping you to get to know all about the projects? To get to know.
Actually, recently I got my mentor, Anup Mathurji. Actually, he's amazing. Day before yesterday, only Shravan sir introduced me, and still I'm learning. Just day before yesterday only, no?
Okay, thank you, Nishita.
So,
So, we'll continue this with,
one second. Can I ask a question, Sandhya?
yeah, sir.
Okay, thank you. Nishita, so tell me what you liked about meeting with Anupji.
Sir, actually, first of all, I thought that, sir, he's a great person, sir. Actually, I thought that he will be like so strict. Like I didn't expect it, and he's so friendly with me. Like he told that he learned Telugu from me, and he's so friendly, sir. Like he's like he's a great person, but he's like normal person only, sir.
Nice.
And I hope he'll help me a lot. And I'm so glad to have that mentor. And this is because of you only, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nishita. So, we'll continue this with Harichandana. So, okay, Harichandana, share your experiences.
Yeah, good morning, Shravan sir, and good evening, everyone. Firstly, let me express my gratitude to Shravan sir for giving the chance to be in a part of ESL and providing such a great platform for us. It's a great opportunity for everyone, and I extremely glad that I took part in this ESL. And I have experienced supportive friends and fantastic seniors. They are super amazing. Uh, and unique thoughts and ideas of everyone. Uh, also acquired the knowledge of respecting each other, see beauty in each other and greatness in each other, and supports everyone ideas. And the top talks are such a stimulating talks by eminent personalities. These made us enlightened, and attending that sessions uh, are super and enriching our knowledge, and involving in these talks and interacting with all of you made me to left my fear of public speaking and hesitation, to speak comfort and hesitation, and I can speak comfortably, and I'm confident now to be in part of ESL. um, and I have been involved in ISCE project, which is Industrial Symbiosis for Circular Economy, and our mentor is Ulhas Garu. Uh, Currently, we are not completely involved in project. We are going through understand the complete perfectly. And next, I also begin in a part of organizing committee. Uh, and I am extremely grateful to you, Shravan sir, for made me to be a part of projects also. And I believe that your efforts and the hard work and that make us to fulfill our dreams and make you feel proud too.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
many thanks for your valuable efforts.
Thank you. Let me, can I say one more thing, Sandhya?
Yeah, sir, sure, sir.
Harichandan, the Ulhas Gari project, it is going to hopefully start very soon. The company is at this time going through some, there is something called NDA anamata, non-disclosure agreements. So they have to sign those agreements anamata. So he is currently in the process of signing those agreements. So once those agreements are signed, then that project will be available for us, for the students. And then we have a company called Crest Technologies, which is a core consulting company in Hyderabad. They will also be helping you all, because you're all first year students. You don't know first year, second year, it doesn't matter. You don't know all the uh, um, how to do this project, because this is something, it's quite a big one. So we have a consulting company which will be helping you. So you will have a lot of fun, because you'll be working with Ulhas Garu, and then Crest Technologies founder is Prakash Garu. He is brilliant in his own way, and so I think you'll have a lot of fun working with him. So thank you, Sandhya.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Harichandana. So, how was ESL helping you?
Yeah, it helps me uh, lift off my public speaking, and I'm really confident now.
Thank
Very
you.
fortunate to have that.
Thank you, Harichandana. So, next we'll go to Vivikta. So, Vivikta, share your experience.
Okay, for me, when ESL was introduced in orientation program, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So yeah, when ESL was introduced to me in orientation program, I was like, oh, maybe we need to pass some test, or we need to participate in something to get through that, get into that club or whatever. For me, at that time, it was a club. Okay. So yeah, I thought like that. But then when our seniors gave presentation to us about ESL, I was really excited. I was really happy, in fact, because yeah, I really wanted, for me, in these 4 years I really wanted to try each and everything. Okay, I know it's impossible sometimes, but then yeah, ESL is about making impossible things possible, right? So yeah, that was really good. Yeah, first project which I got into was stock market. For me it was really unexpected. I really didn't have any information, or I did not even have something. I did not even know something about that stock market thing. But then once I got into it, it was really good. It was really fun. Um, I realized that yeah, I can do but good some of financial things too. Though I don't know, I can learn. I can do good. Yeah. Yeah, so sometimes there were in this 1 month only. Sometimes there were situations where I felt a bit pressurized too, because yeah, of course, many people are doing many things, and I also wanted to do many things, but I'm not able to. But then I don't know how situations were made like that, that either Shravan sir approached me or I approached Shravan sir about this thing, and we solved that problem. In this 1 month I approached sir 2 times about this thing, and he really solved my problem. And I got Sri Vidya ma'am as my mentor. I was really excited for that. Uh, it is really fun. Okay, it is really fun with Sri Vidya ma'am. She is awesome. She, about confidence, yeah. First thing which we worked upon was confidence. I didn't know that I had confidence. It was just me who wasn't trying it. Yeah. Now I guess we have succeeded in it. Now I'm speaking to you like this. Yeah, that's it, I guess.
Thank you, Vivekta. You are so excited. I'm understanding. So, what made you to choose stock market, and how was it going?
In the beginning, to be honest, I just wanted to grab the opportunity, no matter what was it. I just wanted to be in something. Okay, I didn't know. Yeah, but then once I got into it, I'm really enjoying it now. Yeah.
Thank you, Vivekta. So next we'll continue this with Deepthi. So Deepthi, share your experience through this 1 month.
Hello everyone. First thing, I'm very glad to be part of ESEL. First day when we were introduced with Shravan sir, I did not knew about this ESEL and all. Just we were having interactive session with Shravan sir. We thought, what a like nice person. We would like to have such many people like that. But I don't know that we are having a ESEL and many are like Shravan sir and we are going to work with them and all that. uh, I was like, okay, we would be if it is okay, if we'll be having it would be good. I felt like that. When we were introduced, our seniors have introduced ESL. We were thought like, is it true? Like, are they like really are there persons who will give respect and values to other persons? We rarely find people who are giving respect and values to the others. I never felt that there are group of people who will respect her, who will give value to us, and not only for all the things. Like there may be people who will be respecting for some things, but here in ESL, for everything, each and everything, we are respected. It may be a junior or a senior. First thing comes with respect and values. Like I was shocked. Really, it is going on with a few people. Okay, it was like okay, 50% I have believed in. Next, coming to the book party, that was really made me like 1,000 more person believe in these people. Like yeah, they are really doing that. We can achieve many things through values and respect. I was amazed when I was having this book party. Next, coming to my project Pro 2, we were not started with classes only. We were in the orientation program, but one day sir called me and asked me like, are you interested to do in Pro 2? I was shocked. So I've not started my academics, like I'm getting opportunities. What is this? Okay, I thought before that only I've listened about Pro 2 that in book party. So I've got one idea that that's a software that is so tough and all that. I thought like when sir asked me, I thought like, okay, why can't we try that? There people are saying that it's tough. Why can't we try a tougher one? We move. Okay. I like taking tougher challenges. So I thought, okay, let us take this. And I've said, okay, I'm interested, sir. First thing was I did not get into academics only, but I got opportunity. That was unexpected. Second, when it comes to journey, 31 days have gone. 31 days have special like not only some days have special things, but 31 days has all special things. It is not like I can't mention now all everything. It will be like story. I don't know. After 4 years, if I can take a movie of all my achievements. Next, coming to principal parties also. I did not expect this like this. It would be going like this. But when Shravan sir asked one thing, when Tejasri Akka have hosted that Nandaji's talk, I felt really amazed like how they can talk like that. I thought, okay, I should also build capability of talking like that. So I've taken challenge for principal parties that okay, I will be organizing it and all that. So I've taken that. I did not knew that it will be going so well, but it have crossed my expectations and all. Next, mentors, like the before night I've asked sir like yeah sir, I'm interested to have a mentor, and next morning sir called me like, you're ready, you're having a mentor. Arey, what is this? Just asking and the things are like getting completed. Really amazed with this. Like this, so many are there. No, I can't list. Coming to seniors and friends, I never thought I would be having good. I never thought that I would be making friends so fast. I thought okay, it would be take 1 year or more than 1 year. But now the situation is I've made friends within week. Before orientation, like we are friends already. Next, seniors, like never expected seniors would be receiving us so well. Like they're not like our seniors, they are like our friends. We can only say that they are like our friends, or smaller than us, not elder than us. We are feeling like that and we are enjoying like so much. Um, Next thing is like we never thought that we would be having talks with the successful people. Never and never expected thing was this. Like okay, they are so hard to have contact with them, but now it's an easy thing to have contact. I feel like that we are talking with them, we are interacting, and we are getting suggestions from them. Oh, that's a really great thing. This top tops and mentors, like we never thought we would be interacting with them, and this ESL platform made it easy that and proven that the successful people will be easily approached. Like we'll be thinking that they are so hard to approach, but okay, we got to that. And Shravan sir will be saying one thing that we are at a right we are at right time, we are at a right place. Justified this statement. I'm really happy that's going on. Whenever I wanted something, that has came to me, and now I'm really happy about that. I don't know that this 1 month have how it this 1 month have passed. Every day we were busy. Actually, this was my friends were telling. ఇప్పుడే కదా స్టార్ట్ అయింది కాలేజ్ అప్పుడే ఇంత బిజీ అయిపోయినావు ఏంది అనేసి. I was telling, yeah, you are busy. You will not get my appointment also. Like this, we are just enjoying. We are not only learning. Along with learning, we are enjoying a lot. This 1 month was like so happy for me. Thank you for Shravan sir, all my dear seniors and my friends. They are so supportive. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepthi. You have said many things. So, okay, Vivekta, you have raised hand. Want to say something?
Yeah, I just wanted to add when she told about seniors. Actually, to be honest, for me, మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ కంటే ముందు సీనియర్స్ వర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్. దాన్ మన ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మన బాండ్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యే ముందే సీనియర్స్ వర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ టు మీ. సో దాట్స్ రియలీ గ్రేట్. ఐ నెవర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ దట్. That was really good. Thank you.
Thank okay, Deepthi, my question to you is, so there are any changes like any improvement in your qualities after this 1 month?
I can't list them. There are so many. First thing, speaking in English. Like when I was speaking in English, Sandhya, you know that our math sir would call us onto the stage. Dayas. Every day he'll be calling me, sir, for doing sums. Every day, not 1 day or 2 day. Every day I used to do sums. First thing I was to like sir పిలవంగానే ఇట్లా హ్యాండ్ షేక్ అయిపోయేది. First thing. అలా
Never
ఉండేది
talk
first.
English in our intermediate. We have never talked English.
Sir. We always used to speak in Telugu. Even with sirs also, we used to speak in Telugu only. First thing అది
Except English, ma'am.
అసలు ఇంతకు ముందు ఇలా మాట్లాడడానికి డేర్ కూడా చేయలేదు అసలు. started talking when I stepped into this college. First, Shravan sir, like orientation day, first day introduce చేసుకోమన్నారు. ఆ రోజు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకున్నాం అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ మాట్లాడింది శ్రవణ్ సార్ తోటే. ఆ రోజు లైక్ నా గ్రేడింగ్ ఓకే 1 or 2 దగ్గర ఉంటే శ్రవణ్ సార్ తో మాట్లాడాక 4 వరకు అయింది. After Srividya, talking with Srividya ma'am, it has rapidly changed to 8 or 9. I can directly say that. ఇప్పుడు okay, I think 9.5 and above. I'm speaking like I'm daring to speak. I'm not feeling ఫస్ట్ డే అయితే నా హ్యాండ్ షివర్ అయ్యేది. ఇప్పుడు నేను నార్మల్ గా లైక్ తెలుగులో ఎలా మాట్లాడుతామో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కూడా అలానే మాట్లాడుతున్నా. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇది. ఇంకొకటి ఇంకా మనది అదే మెయిన్ థింగ్ మనకు కావాల్సింది మాట్లాడడం. అది మాట్లాడడం వస్తే అన్ని వస్తాయి. ఐ హావ్ లెర్న్ దట్.
యా యు ఆర్ సో ఫ్రీ. సో నేను కూడా నీ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా నేర్చుకోవాలని ఉంది నాకైతే. నీలాగా మాట్లాడాలి అలా. థ్యాంక్ యూ దీప్తి. సో we have some of the newbies. So if they want to share something, they can.
Good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Chandrudu. Before 2 or 3 days, I have entered into this ECEL community. I thought that this ECEL is, I don't know anything about this ECEL or societies like this. First, I entered into this to learn communication skills mainly. I thought that only communication skills will develop, and I'm entering into the first Ideathon event. Hope that will give me a lot of experience and all. Thank you for giving this choice. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandru, for taking part in this program. So I want to ask one question. So what was your opinion after listening about the ECEL?
I have joined only 2 or 3 sessions in this ECEL. I'm making sure that this Ideathon event will be the best ever in my life, and because I'm starting my interaction with other people with this, so hope this will be the best to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandru. So still anyone want to share their views?
Sandhya, can I say one thing?
Yeah, sir, sure, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I just got a message from the Crazy Five. You know who the Crazy Five are? Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
so the Crazy Five sent a message, a beautiful message. They have already started talking. They have already started working on their ideas. And I cannot tell you their ideas, but they are amazing ideas. I was like completely blown away. They have 3 ideas. I think they said 3. I have to look through it again. And actually, I'm not going to tell you those ideas because they told me not to tell. So I will not do that. And the thing which I really liked about the update was the last sentence is, we got a place where we can do mad things beautifully. I'm going to say it again. We got a place where we can do mad things beautifully. This is what COVID Krishnan said about our ECEL platform. So I hope all of you will start forming your own teams and putting names and creating all the ideas you want to work on. You can either create your own ideas or take the ideas which are already mentioned. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And we also have some of the seniors here, so I wish they can also share their views.
Pavani and Lidvija, they are calling you.
Suryana want to talk, I guess, sir. Raised hand.
Yes. So, first of all, I'm very glad to see the way you have been talking about ESL, expressing your gratitude to one another, speaking so confidently. It is hard to believe that you are first year students. I'm incredibly happy, and I believe that the things which you are learning now, they're going to help you in such a big way to achieve whatever you want, be it academics, extracurricular activities, anything. These fundamental principles are going to take you a long way, and you have already come a long way. And I'm just so happy to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Suryana.
And Anna, they have come this long in a very short period of time.
Truly, Vijay.
And what Deepthi said is so correct. Like Deepthi said that they are they are either our friends or our seniors, but I'm not sure they are our juniors because they are so matured enough to talk in front of even if it is friends also it really needs courage to talk, and you all are talking, not one. That is that is so interesting and so energetic you all are. I can say like I wish you all the best. That's all for now. There is you have gone through only 1 month, no? That means you have a lot more journey to travel. So I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Lidvijaka. Thank you so much. So,
I was listening, sir. I thought I joined to listen, but I enjoyed listening to their comments. And like they are not like first years, they are like fourth years. They are talking like that, like they are analyzing everything and presenting it in a good way. And they are like it's becoming OECT is becoming girls' college. You can see more girls. Yeah, like Asha said, more empowerment is needed. Yeah, and like seeing all them, I was not this active from the starting of its season, but after we realized that once we start believing in each other, no one can stop us from getting opportunities to become best version of ourselves. Like I'm happy to see these people from the starting itself, and they are expressing their happiness also. And I'm sure these people are going to do great things in future. All the
It's really interesting, like you are given few minutes and you are supposed to talk about your happiness and achievements at this very early stage. That itself is a very big achievement.
Yeah, Nivedita, you have raised hand. Yeah.
I didn't expect that I would get a amazing person like Shravan sir, because when I first talked I didn't attend the session also, but even though when I approached Shravan sir, he was literally amazing. Like he was encouraging me a lot, and he's saying that you can do it and like that. And after when I talked about my projects like Python programming also, like he helped me a lot to join in that programming. And he also gave me one small project where we are going to interview our students from all over. And we are really blessed to have this project, sir. And literally, like I only want to do ESL projects. I don't want to do any assignments or notes. I'm after, like, before sleeping also, I will be feeling I will be getting ESL thoughts, what is the idea of top ideation, what we have to do then, like that. I'll be getting, like, I will not be getting any thoughts regarding our academics. So this is one of the best thing happened to me, sir. And I would like to thank our seniors, as Deepthi said. Yeah, like they are really amazing, and we really got good friends, sir. Deepti, Apurva, Harichandana, and Kushala, Supraja, all of them, like Vivikta, Sandhya. I'm not getting names here, but I'm really thankful to you all.
Thank you, Nivedita. Deepti, you also raised your hand.
Yes, seniors are telling that we have achieved in this small 1 month span. I want to say that that's only the encouragement and support of seniors, and then our inspiration. Like from our first day, our minds are like, "Hey, wow, seniors are doing in such a small age, like they are doing many things. Why can't we do? Like if we also start doing, why can't we achieve that?" We got that thought in that, so we have started. That's it, not more than that. They are the reason for us
Thinking
to
is
start.
different and implementing is different, Dipti. Like you are implementing from the starting. That is what we are amazed.
Because we have seen your accomplishments and all the things. Even we want to get all those.
Yeah, you are inspiring us day by day.
Pavani, there is a big difference between when you joined and when Deepti and their batch joined, this new batch joined. We were still trying to figure out what ESL was when you guys joined. You added the energy that was needed to get ESL going. Your whole batch added that energy. Otherwise, I am not sure whether ESL would have even survived. And then the books were the big thing. Having so many books published, and this is something we are not supposed to tell everyone, but I'm just going to tell it anyway. I'm going to tell it everyone. The Aviva company, which is owner of the software Pro2, is actually planning to buy the book, the trademarks for the book that Surya and all of them wrote. Believe it. Think about it. It's $1 billion revenue company. They are in negotiations to buy that book, and they want to sell that book everywhere. Can you even, think about 18, 19-year-olds wrote that book. And now that book is going to be there, so the negotiations are going on right now. Will it happen? We don't know. But they approached us. We did not approach them, by the way. We did not say, hey, can you buy our book? We did not. They called us. They want to put this book on their website and they want to market it. So these are some things, Pavani, that you have achieved, you all have achieved, which is so big. And so your juniors have seen it and they are saying, wow, you know what, we want to be, have that, we want to be that too. So I think that could be one of the reasons that they are moving at a really fast pace. Their confidence is very high. I can see how much they are enjoying and everything. So, but anyway, I am looking at all of you and I'm thinking the same thing. How could all of these people learn so much in 1 month?
Yes,
so, thank you, Sandhya.
Like when we look back,
Thank you, sir.
we had really good quality time with ESL, sir. Like we didn't waste any time. That's the biggest and like most happy thing. We enjoyed and we worked and all of us.
Yeah, you guys. We worked on so many very different ideas, and Lidvija's and Pavani's book is, I hope all of you read that book. It is really, really good. It takes maybe 1 hour, not even 1 hour, half an hour, you can read the whole book. But it is so good. Good. Thank you. Sandhya, over to you.
Thank you, sir. We wish we would also do these many things like our seniors, sir.
Sir, I think Rukaya want
Yeah.
to talk.
So, Rukia, yeah. Yeah, Rukia, you can continue. You can share your experience.
Okay, first of all, hello everyone. For me, I feel like the word entrepreneur has always been linked to me. If you see my school tagline have been the school for young entrepreneurs, and ESL is the entrepreneur cell. ESL has always been a supporting hand for me. Like I know even if I go to the college, I have friends, I have seniors looking after me. And I feel like whenever I have gone for the first day of my intern and school, if you recall, I was pretty scared of joining the school and intermediate first day. But now when the colleges are reopening from the first Feb, I am not at all scared. In fact, I am like very much excited because I know all of you. So ESL has made this interaction possible, and I'm not scared of the first day. I'm not worried about who are my friends and all. The best thing that ESL has given me is I'm no longer worried about my studies because I feel like even if I don't do well at my studies, I have other opportunities. I mean, like I'm currently doing digital marketing course, so I could further carry on it. And Top Talks has always been like modeling my thoughts. I have missed this so much in my intermediate life. My school teachers have always been modeling my thoughts to regular lectures, but I have missed this in the intermediate life, and now Top Talks are doing it for me. And the best thing about ESL is that it's open to all. ESL takes all the creative ideas, no matter it's come from whoever and whichever college. I would like to describe ESL as E entertainment, C confidence, E exciting, L loving, and L loyal. And I wanted to say one more thing, that people has always pinned high hopes on me. I mean, like if you consider my parents or teacher, whenever people pinned hopes on me, I have always found it as a burden. But when it comes to ESL, Shravan sir clearly says, don't take stress. No matter if you don't do the project today, it's okay. And that's like the best thing for me. I would like to describe ESL as the young energy that we all have, plus the Shravan cell experience is equals to ESL. And I would also see ESL as when ESL is a platform where different minds react to produce ideas. Thank you.
Thank you, Rukia. You have said a great abbreviation of ESL. So that's so nice of you. Thank you. Still, anyone want to share their views?
I think Hafsa have not shared her views.
Yeah, hello
Yeah.
everyone. Sorry I joined late.
Yeah, it's okay, fine.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, carry on.
So, ESL has been an amazing experience overall. This past 1 month has really changed the way we look at seniors and mentors and everything. I think it has been really awesome. It has been an amazing experience, and I just want to say thank you to Shravan sir and the seniors for being really welcoming. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Apsa. Thank you so much. So we'll move to next segment. That was, and so anyone can ask any questions to anyone. So it's all your wish. So anyone can ask.
Can I say like one word for one person about like whom I met? Okay, I will start with Kushala, her simplicity, and next Spurti. Like she is so friendly with me, and then after I will go with 1 minute. I'm searching Harichandana. She have so much of patience and she encourages a lot. And Supraja, she's very sportive and she always what we say. Like whenever I feel anything, like she will be helping me to get out, to get me out of that. And Deepthi, like I have talked with you Like we used to have crazy talks. Like whenever like once I got a bad moment, and then she cared me a lot. Thank you so much, Deepti, for that. And I'm getting to know that you have a good sense of humor. And Sandhya, like I don't know, like we have talked 2 to 3 times, but I feel like you will mingle with everyone easily, and Hafsa, you will care for everyone, and you will think and you say everything, and that's what I like in you. Uh, and one more, whom I missed, sorry, Apurva, I like your voice and your unique thoughts. And 1 minute.
Creativity.
Kaya Sultana, I just love your explanation. Every time when you will be saying, I really enjoy your explanation. You will be entertaining, like you will make me entertain with your words. And is a Swapna. I like your dareness. Thank you so much, Deepak. Like you have an open minded. You have an open mind. And that's it, sir. I can say about my friends.
Thank you, Nivedita. This is very rare, so no one come forward to say about each and every person. So thank you so much. So Deepak has joined now. So you can share your experience, Deepak, throughout this 1 month.
Um, well, at um, first when I heard about ESL, like through Shravan sir, so I thought like I felt interesting. I mean, like I came in with like totally like with open mind. Like uh, I mean, I mean. When I was entering into this university, I always thought of like having fun. Like I totally placed my enjoyment totally aside for this 2 years, 2 years of my intermediate, and I thought of totally enjoying these 4 years. Like whatever may happen, like let it happen. So with that, so I entered into ESL, and I feel like this is the one of the best decisions I have taken in my life. Like I'm enjoying a lot, literally. Like even from since my childhood, whenever there was a program or anything, all I did was like either I was in audience or I used to give some performance. Like, and I was never in a organizing committee. Like I never really worked that well with others. So that was that was one of my drawback, and like the principal's party, that was the first ever meeting I've been in a part of organizing committee, and it was a success. I felt really happy, and also regarding that, I want to thank all of the people who supported me during those days. um, I want to thank Hafsa, Kushala, Deepti, Apurva, and Nivedita, like everyone who are in those in that organizing committee. Everyone, thanks a lot, and I'm really enjoying. Like for the past 1 month, if you want to keep my experience in just one word, really awesome.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you so much. So anyone can ask questions to anyone
I want
if
to
you wish.
say one thing, Sandhya. You are an amazing
Yes, sir.
host. I'm telling you, it is not easy to do what you're doing. I am like looking at you, the way you are asking questions, the way you are moderating the whole session. You have the talent, Sandhya. I just want you to know.
Thank you, sir. So your words making me somewhat confident so that I can do more. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, I have a question for you, sir.
Go ahead.
So how was your experience with us throughout this 1 month?
Very good question. I am. I think this 1 month, I don't think I slept a lot actually. I think I slept somewhere around 6 hours per day. I think I had. You guys you are learning so quickly, doing so many things. So I wanted to make sure there were more and more opportunities available for you. So I'm always trying to come up with a new way to make sure you are appreciated and you are acknowledged, and you have you can make your dreams come true. See, what we do is we try to respect people, or we try to have an opinion about people based upon their past accomplishments or on their supposedly future accomplishments. What I always believe is you should respect every person just for being a person, not for what they have accomplished or what they will accomplish in future. You just have to accomplish, because they're part of, we're all connected. That's what I believe. So when I put you down, I'm putting a part of myself down. So that's the so I try so I see all of you, and I'm seeing all this energy, or the young energy which you guys said, and I'm thinking, how can I make this young energy more powerful? So this last 1 month, every day in ESAL, I always think, okay, today is the best day, and then I seem to be getting to the next best day, and it has been over 3 years, and still my next best day is getting better and better. So thank you very much for I have learned a lot from all of you. I'm understanding people more and more, and so absolutely, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Actually, you made all this, sir. You are the first person. You said that you can do this all things. So we are very lucky to have a mentor like you, sir. That's all because of you. So hope we have more interesting days forward. Thank you, sir. So if anyone want to ask questions, they can.
Yeah. Sir, I have a question for new ones, but I think only Vaishnavi is in the call. Okay, I'll ask her. Our seniors have received us with their friends. I thought that even I should receive someone like that, and more than that. I want to ask new ones that how we have received them, like how they felt.
Nice question.
Vaishnavi?
I'm very happy and very excited. చాలా బాగున్నారు అందరు ఫ్రెండ్స్, చాలా 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 నచ్చారు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ. చాలా మింగిల్ అయిపోతున్నారు అందరూ. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir, about Vaishnavi, she have full of confidence, sir. I have met few days, but I think I like her. I like her confidence a lot.
Yeah, I did. She did speak with me, and so I think she's going to be a fantastic addition to our team.
Yeah. Still, anyone want to ask questions?
I think Sandhya, you can end the call.
Yeah, sir. So I'm ending this call, sir. Yes, sir. thank you very much for attending this meeting and sharing your experience. So, and making this, thank you for making this day so memorable. So, and I also thank our seniors for attending this meeting. So, my gratitude to all of you. So, I wish. Ludwig, you can.
Yes, I just want to end this call by mentioning that you are really amazing. Like you did a fantastic job. Like you are addressing everyone. You understood the minute whole loop things. Like while hosting, there will be some minute things that no one will actually knows that. Like no one will realize that they will really matter while hosting. But you understood and you catch this point. I'm glad to be a part here.
Thank you, Lidvika. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So, hoping more encouragement from you all. Thank you
Sure,
so much.
definitely we all are there to all of you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I thank everyone for attending this meeting and making this day so memorable. So hoping we are going to make wonders through ESL. So, and I especially thank Shravan sir for giving this opportunity, sir. Thank you so much.